Japan is experiencing a significant resurgence in foreign tourism following the post-COVID-19 travel period. As visitor numbers continue to grow year by year, the souvenirs they're picking up might surprise you. For example, from cosmetics and face masks to heat packs and even drinks. By seeing what tourists were buying, we got a new glimpse of what makes Japan special. Looking around the city, you'll spot them carrying shopping bags. Buying souvenirs is definitely one of the best parts of traveling, isn't it? So, what exactly are they bringing home? Let's take a look.
Postcards. Well, this is for me figures from. This is Kimetsu no Yaiba, One Piece.
While many go for classics, some choose surprising souvenirs.
When you fried egg, the square one, what do you call that? I don't know. The Japanese egg? Tamagoyaki, I think, yeah.
My daughter called me and she wants me to buy this. Yeah, we don't have like this in Manila.
Japanese daily essentials and food items, which are normal for locals, are actually a big hit with foreign tourists. Many foreign customers visit convenience stores in Ginza, a popular destination for those seeking to experience Tokyo's sophisticated side, in search of souvenirs.
And a lot of variety, a lot of choices, and I wish all the convenience stores are like that in other countries.
A woman from Thailand chose laundry detergent and also toothpaste as souvenirs.
Because we don't have this flavor in Thailand.
Apparently, Japan has a much wider variety of detergents and toothpastes. Another popular item is nail clippers. Japanese ones are said to be rust-resistant and easy to use compared to those overseas. Next, we met with a Finnish woman who was experiencing a Japanese convenience store for the first time. So, we followed her on her first visit.
This is cards, or what is this?
So it's gonna be warm, like it's just like.
When you put this, it's gonna get warm.
Yes.
Really? Oh my god. Really?
Yes.
She was very interested. It's no wonder, as these disposable heat packs, widely used in Japan, are quite rare outside the country.
Finland, until that we have this kind of things we don't have, and this was so weird thing. So we need to try, because in Finland we have cold, so we need this one.
Okay.
Feeling slightly skeptical, she purchased 3 heat packs. Upon her return to Finland, she found them to be quite useful.
Oh, I can feel it. Yeah, okay.
She definitely seemed convinced. This is Yola from Indonesia. She came to Japan to participate in the Tokyo Marathon. She went to a convenience store looking for something her friend had asked for.
I bring this to my friend.
She wanted to get a cup of latte.
I think she likes the taste of it. And she said that you can find it in any convenience store here.
In Indonesia, sweet coffee is widely consumed. Yola's friend discovered this coffee in Japan and became hooked due to its subtly sweet and perfectly balanced flavor. She bought 4 lattes and handed them to her friend back in Indonesia. Her friend absolutely loved the flavor, something you couldn't find in Indonesia. We then visited a shop in Shibuya, a youth-oriented district with a completely different vibe from Ginza. On the cosmetics floor, tourists stood out. There are cosmetics from Canmake and other affordable brands familiar in Japan. Known for their high quality and natural makeup application, they've been quite popular overseas lately.
If from YouTube channel, some YouTuber will share this product is good, and or in Instagram. Yeah.
日本と韓国の化粧のが好きだから、ナチュラルな感じ。
A Canadian woman got a 1430 yen eyeliner from a Japanese brand.
even when you have the money, you cannot buy the same quality of stuff in our country. Yeah.
A mother and daughter from Mongolia were looking for Japanese toner.
And she really interested in Japanese cosmetics, and that's why we are in here. And we heard that Japanese cosmetics are real moisturizing.
Experiencing Mongolia's severe winter and constant sub-zero temperatures, she hopes to purchase toner for her mother's dry skin.
It's like water. Oh, she said it's shiny, like a water.
Wanting to check out more cosmetics, they looked around the floor and found something interesting.
Because she really loves Japanese rice. Okay, we choose this one.
This unique face mask, priced at 715 yen, is made with Japanese rice. Upon returning home, they immediately gave it a try.
And my mother said it's real comfortable and real moisturizing her skin. I'm also really satisfying for that.
It seems she did something sweet for her mom. Foreign tourists also find creating their own souvenirs a popular activity. A couple from Hawaii visited to experience traditional Japanese glassmaking. Her face turned red as she focused on blowing into the glass.
Oh, that was good. You have to blow hard.
Traditional Japanese crafts are highly popular overseas. Here, you can take home a one-of-a-kind glass as a souvenir.
Unique. Yeah. I think that's why we wanted to do something different. Yeah. Not just regular souvenirs.
The husband also tried, but he blew too hard and it broke. He gave it another shot. This time it looks like he nailed it. And here it is, the finished glass.
I want to use it.
よくできました。
Foreign tourists are finding unexpected souvenirs, leading to rediscovering the wonders of Japan.